No, hold your
Look at that Marky get on your hair and it can be really nasty. And also be careful of anything that enters. And also beware of any excess water on the splash zone. Yes, which is that little thing that splash. You have to touch that button and to turn off the water.
Go run through it, Addison.
Who can run through
Who's gonna run through
the
it?
splash button?
If we touch it 3 times, we'll be able to lower. We'll be able to
And you go right through there and touch that red button in the middle. Touch that red spot in the middle that says a word. It says S-P-L-A-S-H, splash. Push that button.
Then you get a point.
3 times.
You get a point.
A point. She may get a point. Oh, Toby got a point.
I touched it.
Oh, Addison gets a point. Can you go touch that red spot?
Come on. Touch it 3
No.
times.
Oh.
What happened? What happened?